Dib snores. I'll turn the light on. There he is. There he is. You jelly beans. Oh, he's quiet now. Oh, baby. Look at him smile. He's smiling. He's such a good boy. Dib snores. His head's not up against anything. He's relaxing. Sleeping nice. My Dib.